Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. What is up, guys? It's your boy K.I.P Customs and Restorations by your very own. And I'm here. Raw, unedited, straight footage. And originally, I did not want to get in front of this camera and do this. I haven't wanted to get in the camera for a while. Haven't wanted to edit any footage, post any updates. It's been strictly grind mode for me. And even that hasn't been the easiest thing for me to do. As we all know, as a society, as a world, as a people, 2020 has not been the greatest year. We all were like, 2020 is gonna be a movie. Found out 2 months in, it was gonna be in the horror section. You lost a lot of people, a lot of tragedy, killer wasp. The list goes on. But I pray that everyone has enjoyed the storm, even though it was really crazy. I just want to thank God for health and well-being, not just only for myself or my family or my friends, but to everyone who's out there making the most out of their life. To the people who are on this channel, who watch, who like, who share my content. It's discouraging. This YouTube thing isn't easy. Life isn't easy. A lot of the goals I want to do aren't easy. But I say that to kind of boost myself up and my self-esteem, and maybe to you, if you're watching this, that life's gonna throw some things at you. Highs, lows, in betweens, you name it. You just have to do what's best for you to make sure you get through them, and that you're learning and growing through the process, keeping God close to your heart at every moment. It's been a rough year, and I state that again in terms of K.I.P Customs business, or K.I.P Customs LLC. Now that I'm officially a business owner, I don't know, maybe I bit off more than I could chew. Maybe I got super tunnel vision, bit off more than I could chew, and now I'm overwhelmed with life and all the responsibilities that come with it. Still working, as you can see, client shoes right here. But it's not gonna stop me. Yes, once I get done with all my current clients, I'm taking a break. I'm not gonna disappear from YouTube necessarily. I'm not gonna stop creating shoe content, because that's originally what this page and YouTube page was about. But I'm gonna take some time to get myself together and share that part of my life with y'all. Show y'all my personal customs that are years overdue. Give y'all new content, you know, just to break up some of the repetitiveness. This year I grew, I've learned, I've hurt, but I don't regret it. Won't miss it, don't regret it. 2020 was a roller coaster, we'll say that much. But I just want to say thank you to everyone who's been supporting me up until this point. I've been in the shoe game since 2014 of my sophomore/junior year, and officially started YouTubing probably 2 years ago, I think, 2 to 3 years. I'm not really doing this for the clout, not even really doing it for the money, even though Those are both perks. I'm in this to just bring glory to God's name first and foremost, and to motivate somebody out there, and being the example that you can do anything you put your mind to, literally anything. Fitness, arts and crafts, creativity, being one of the greatest content creators on YouTube. You know, I just want to leave my mark on this world with the life I got while I still have it. And ultimately, I'm doing this YouTube thing, so when I'm long gone, my kids, my grandkids, my great-grandkids, they have a legacy to look up to. And they can literally watch my life story through this YouTube page. I got a lot of plans coming up this next year, but y'all just gonna have to wait and see. Sorry if this is kind of sad, monotone, but I want this to be one of the OG videos on my page where you gotta dig deep down to search and find, to be like, dang, he's really putting in the work. He never gave up, he never quit. This is gonna be that video that's living proof. I'm gonna end it here. I'm gonna drop some more footage that I already have, that I should've, that I wanted to edit and drop before the year was over. After that, I'm gonna work on a better schedule so I can at least have continuous content flowing, whether I get views or not. You know, I just want to be better, more consistent, and more efficient with this YouTube thing. But I wish blessings and safety to your family, to you, and to everyone else out there. Thank y'all so much for the support. It means the world. Left this out, so this is minor editing I'm gonna do. But the reason why I did not edit the last little bit of footage and things of that nature is because I wanted to end 2020 with like 200 videos, 200 subscribers. Yeah, I fell short of my goal. Fell short, but I'm okay with that because the subscriber thing was out of my control. I was literally doing everything I needed to get subscribers. Had family put me on, family and friends. I checked one day, I had 200. Time got closer, I'm at 199. So, and I just felt like if I tried to make enough footage to at least have 200 videos on my page, it just wasn't going to be authentic. It wasn't going to be genuine. So, yeah, I've been resting, been recuperating, trying to get my mind right. But there's been a lot of planning going on. And for my sake, and because I owe it to myself, everything's gonna be done on the low. Just gonna keep it quiet, even after it's done. Just let the work speak for itself. Again, thank y'all for the love and support. Be safe tonight. Peace.